Premier Bank's credit card really targets people who are either trying to build up their credit for the first time or those who might be coming back from a rough patch with their credit score. The experience starts with a big draw. You can pre-qualify in just a minute, and this step doesn't impact your credit score at all. That's a relief for anyone worried about applying too many times and hurting their score even more. For people who have a credit score of 500 or higher, the unsecured version of this card could be an option. The card doesn't require a security deposit, and the initial credit limit can be up to $700 depending on credit worthiness. However, even though there's no deposit required, this card gets expensive very quickly because of its fees. There's an upfront program fee, which can range between $55 and $95 just to get the account opened. On top of that, you'll face an annual fee ranging from $50 to $125 and possibly a monthly fee that could be as high as $10.40. What really stings is that interest rate. 36% APR is extremely high, even compared to many other products aimed at the same audience. This means that carrying any kind of balance month after month is going to rack up interest charges very quickly and could make it extra hard for cardholders to get ahead. All these fees can eat into the credit available on the card, leaving less room to actually use it for purchases. For people with no credit or scores below 500, Premier Bank also offers a secured credit card option. Here there's a required $200 deposit, which sets the initial credit limit. The APR is lower at 19.9%, and the annual fee is a straight $50 with no monthly fees, which is a bit less punishing. One upside with both cards is that Premier Bank reports payment activity to the major credit bureaus, so responsible use, on-time payments, and keeping the balance low can help boost a credit score over time. Plus, if the cardholder handles the account well, the bank may increase the credit limit after 12 months, which can help even more with building credit. When all things are considered, Premier Bank's credit cards are clearly designed to fill a very specific gap in the market, helping those who are having trouble getting approved elsewhere. But this help doesn't come cheap. There's no security deposit on the unsecured card, which sounds appealing, but that benefit is quickly offset by substantial upfront and recurring fees and a steep interest rate that's among the highest on the market. Carrying a balance or missing a payment here can quickly spiral into financial trouble. In summary, Premier Bank makes credit building simple and accessible with very basic requirements, and managing the card is convenient with its mobile tools, but the reality is this card is costly and those fees can pile up faster than expected, especially if you use the card for emergencies or to carry a balance. For people who have very few options elsewhere, it may be a stepping stone, but anyone considering it should stay focused on paying in full each month and be brutally honest about whether the combined fees and high APR might do more harm than good. If handled carefully, it can serve its purpose, but the risks and costs need to be weighed thoughtfully before signing up.